me hit them pork chops in that iron skillet. Y'all, we're gonna drop some of that Worcestershire sauce down in there. Woo-wee. Right here, nice and slow. Then Austin brought this to me yesterday. Got a good sweet taste to it. Hit the bottom of it with some of that black pepper. Ooh, y'all know I love that black pepper. Get that salt in there. Oh man, we're making a base, y'all. We're making a base. Now we're gonna hit it with that low sodium, Southern Boys. Brush that low sodium in there like that. Ooh. All right, now we're gonna drop them pork chops down in there. Watch this. Ooh-wee. Drop them pork chops down in there like that. That's the good stuff here today, y'all. Check this out. We're gonna flip it. Ooh, get it flipped over like that. Get some of that juice underneath it. Look at that. Look at that color on that pork chop right there, huh? Look at that, brother Dallas. My goodness, look at that. Get it flipped over like that. Brother Dallas, show them that. Look at that. Look at them pork chops right there, son. Don't that look good? Go ahead and get them off of there. Woo-wee. Man, pork chop 30 right here, boy. Man, let's do it right there. Let's check that out, brother Dallas. Look at them pork chops right there. All right, just took them pork chops out there. Now we're gonna drop a little flour down in there like this. Ooh, finna make us a little gravy right here, brother Dallas. Brother Dallas, we're gonna hit it with a little bit more water. Get it down in there like that. Look at that gravy right there, y'all. Now, brother Dallas, you know we gotta hit it with that brown sugar water. Hit it with that little brown sugar water right there. Ooh, man, there it is. Oh, look at that color going in there, brother Dallas. Look at that. All right, brother Dallas, look at them pork chops right there. Ooh, let me grab me up one of them pork chops right there, lay it in the center of that plate. Watch this, brother Dallas. Look at this here. Look at this. Ooh, look at the inside of that. Huh? Does that look good or what? Ooh, tender. Look at that. Slicing right through it. Man, oh man. All right, then we're gonna take that pork chop like that, brother Dallas. Watch this now. Follow me here. We're gonna jump over here. We're gonna grab a little bit of that gravy right there. Look at that. We're gonna pour that gravy right over the top of that pork chop like that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Man. Let's see here. Give me a piece out of that middle. Look at that pork chop right there, y'all. I'm telling you right now, y'all, it just don't get no better than the iron skillet pork chops with a little gravy on the top.